Hi everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Jewelry Canada. Today we are going to be making some brick earrings and we're going to start that in just a moment. Hi everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Jewelry Canada. Today we are going to be making some brick earrings. So I'm going to take some different kinds of bricks. We're going to do we'll do the beige ones this time. You are going to need a little hand drill and drill bit. You're going to need your jump rings, your tools, and some ear wires. So let's get started. We're going to start by taking the brick and we're going to drill a hole in it. Sorry, had to make sure my drill was good. And we're just going to drill a hole through the brick. Are we getting anywhere? Yep, we are. Make sure your finger's out of the way. So see, we are getting somewhere. Just takes a bit. I decided to get a block to put underneath it and we're going to drill down. Then we can apply some pressure. And you don't want to go too fast because you don't want to go too fast. See how we're getting a nice little hole there? You don't want to go too fast because you don't want to split your plastic, right? So we're just going to keep going at this until we get through. So see, I got all the way through. So I'm just going to put it back in my hole and kind of push back and forth a couple of times. There. So I have a nice little hole. So what I want you to do is do the same thing in the other one and meet me back. Okay, so I got through both. And now what we're going to do is we're taking our jump rings. Now these are larger jump rings because you're going through quite a bit of plastic. You're going to open your jump ring. You always open it sideways. You're going to put it through the hole you just created. You are going to get your ear wires. So we're going to need 2. So let's see. This one is going that way. So see how my ear wire is going this way, and when I put the jump ring it'll be the same way. So what we're going to do is we're going to close this jump ring. Okay, so you can use another set of pliers or you can just use your fingers. Bring it nice and closed, and then I'm going to take a teeny tiny jump ring here. Find the opening. Oh, I lost it in my nail. There's the opening. Okay. Gonna grab it, open it, go to our brick. We're just gonna put it through. My pliers are in the way. Through the the jump ring I just put on there and through the ear wire. Oh, we want to make sure the ear wire is facing the right way. Then we're going to close that up. Nice and tight. And there you go, guys. You've turned a toy brick into an earring. And now what you can do is you can build off of it. Still works, right? And you can make your earrings new each and every day. Let's see. You can put one of these on. You could put one of these on. You can just build it up however you want it. Isn't that awesome? Okay. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and check the description. I put all kinds of goodies in my description. Bye now.